Tembe Elephant Park is situated in northern part of Zululand, right at the border of Mozambique, and it was proclaimed in 1983. The reason for proclamation of the park was mainly to protect people's property from elephants. Tembe elephant seems to be a unique herd in southern Africa. This is the only indigenous elephant left in KZN, one of the 4 indigenous species left in South Africa. So Tembe Elephant Park, from the research, people seem to think they've got a unique gene pool. They've got a big ivory, and they say it's the best gene in South Africa in terms of ivory. The communities, yes, they like having the park here, since they see it as an industry that can actually provide job opportunities in this area and fight poverty in this area. The webcam has been running for almost 5 years. Webcam is actually doing very good for the park itself, because it attracts a lot of people, because you can log into our AfriCam from wherever you are in the world, and you can see what is happening in the heart. And it's a popular waterhole for elephants and other game species, so it has attracted a lot of people into the game reserve. So our involvement with the local schools in the area, the children, whichever school is interested to come and look at the animals, the teachers, we encourage them to bring children to come and learn about nature. So we have done a lot of trips this year already, just to educate the children about nature inside the park, and they love it. In a small park which is 30,000 hectares, it's in a very remote area, and then when you are in Tembe, that's what makes it special, because if you come across an animal, you don't feel like you're going to be bothered by other people following you. That's you and the animals makes it very, very, very special. If you don't know anything about it, you won't have actually a heart to protect it. But the minute you know about it, and then you actually fall in love with it, and then you have a sense of protecting the nature.